In this video, I'm gonna be walking through how to make any video slow motion in your Samsung Galaxy device. All you have to need, go to your Play Store. In Play Store, search for InShot. This is a very popular app to edit videos. Just install InShot app in your phone. Once installed, go ahead and launch the InShot app. Here select video, allow all permissions, select new, and now from your phone go ahead and select the video you want to make slow motion. And here we can see a watermark update. To remove the watermark, you have to watch a ad. Now select the video footage, and from this menu you have to select the speed option. Now just decrease this level and your video will be slow motion. As you can see, this is now slow motion video. Now tap on export. Resolution, you can change your video resolution from here. You can also change frame rate and then tap on export. And you have to watch an ad. So that's how you can actually make any video slow motion video. Thank you.